Hello everybody, and today hey guys, it's me William back with another video, and we are playing the airport game. My mum's making silly loud noises if you listen, and today I'm playing International Airport by Simulator Games. Who created this game, and I'm doing it. Come on, you snacks. Beep. Darcy's barking, Darcy's barking, Darcy's barking, Darcy's barking, Darcy's barking, Darcy's barking. Okay, so we're experiencing that at the airport, and my mom's getting ready. Because it's my quiet time. And we're at Astronaut Airport. We can't know what game we're Crazy pipe, crazy pipe, crazy pipe, crazy pipe. Want to go there? Yeah, we're gonna do crazy pipe log. That's what I was gonna do today. The game I choose. Crazy pipe. Here we go, baby. I am a giant. Ah! Not resporting me. What? Okay. Crazy pipe. We're loaded. Okay, 3. Nah. Round 1. I'm lagging. 16 rounds. Sorry about the lag, guys. I'm experiencing. My dogs are so bored. We're doing this slide today. And then we're going to free up. Region every 5 minutes. What the? We're just going to do these slides. Yes. We're doing a crazy pipe attraction. Here we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's the same. Woohoo! This is my mom talking. Is asleep, and we're gonna make loud noises. Oh no, I gotta get through the thingy, and there we go. Whoa, 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 no way. Whoa, no. We're at the pipe. We're inside the sewers. Ew, I hate these. They're the sewers. Okay, so I have Mr. Spider here. Ah, Spider! Guys, hit the subscribe button and right now, or you're gonna see Sophie Cheeseman one day. Guys, like the video and subscribe right now, or I give you free road, or I will. What's your Fortnite name? Comment down below what's your epic tile name on roblox, and I will friend you. We're going to wait for this so we know we're not. We're going to go on the slide now. In a few minutes. So we're going like that now. Zoom in. And we're going to use the pressing 1, 2. Whoa! I'm lagging. Woo! Oh no. Beep! Mummy, say hi. Mummy, do you want to join? In a minute. Okay, she's gonna join in a minute to check how I am. Ah! Oh my gosh. We're doing this again, it's the same. Ah! Moto likes you. Guys, also, as you don't know, that I have experiencing exciting news. If you don't know this week, I have experiencing that I have so guess what? So I'm experiencing some very good news. The good news that I'll be going to Vision Park later for the thing at 9:30 PM for their Silent Autumn House opening. If you're mostly excited for that. And wait. Good, so we got to go to the 3. Unlock with laps. We'll gotta wait for 5 minutes. Regen every 5 minutes. Okay. Ah! We're going to another simulator game now. We're going to go to... Guys, if you don't know my looking on Roblox games, this is the worst video I had, so I'm having this better one. Fashion Simulator. Oh, that's kind of new game I want to play. We're doing that later, not the airport. We want to go to the subway, and I died. We can get the train. They're not. I'm a bit lagging. Sorry about the lag, guys. Doesn't matter. Dog Simulator. What? We're gonna take the train to the simulators that we want to go to. I want to go to the theme park, but this is gonna come tomorrow. As we can't, the doors are about to close. And the doors are about to close. How do I choose the station? Okay. I don't know how to choose it. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I can't escape reset beep. So my sister's going to her friend's house today. No. Haha. We got to get to Dog Simulator, theme park. Yes, Awesome Simulator. Let's go there. Here comes the choo-choo train. Roblox Winter Games 2014. Now it's 2019 because there might be one. Game is not finished. Next update, race with friends, more tricks and more, which is, I think it's going to be not on. We quit that game. We played that yesterday. It was awesome. Guess what? I'm going to do that one. Guys, we're going to do that one because I never did that. I forgot. I didn't see it. I think it's going to... Guys, we're going to go on now. Jojo Duff. That's not, I thought it was Jojo Siwa. Okay, we're landing on adventure. Okay, Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Ah! Slow, what? We're going too fast, like, I'm lagging! Ah! Ah! Wah! Ah! Ha 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 ha! Ah! Ah! Ha! Stop doing it! Yes, 35 seconds! 35 seconds later. Bit lagging. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. We did that racing stuff again. This is kind of, that was new. Yeah, we did that. A bit lagging, guys, so let's get the lift back. One lift. It's icy. We can't turn well. Oh no, this is the worst game ever simulator. Charlie's barking. We're gonna go to Sky Resort now in a minute. So we can find out, we'll see you at Sky Resort. And we're experiencing that, so I can get the lift up. And let's see you at Sky Resort. Here we go. We're at Ski Resort now. Yes, finally. We've got to wait for our thingy to arrive. So let's open up the gate, please. So that screen has to go first, and we open our gates after this. And I hope to see you at that top thingy as we do. We hope you see you at the top, and we can do that, and that will be the end of our video because I'm running out soon. See you there. Okay guys, we're back. Right, let's go here. The thingy. My mum's cooking breakfast, so okay. Here we go. Okay, up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. And then we have to end soon so I can test it if the volume's up. And up we go, Okay, we got 5 minutes left, so I have to end up. Come on, Liz. Okay, so okay, off we go. It's about dice thingy. This amount it. No. Right, we're off, down, up, down, up we go. Right, off we go. Help, 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 help. Hey, 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 hey. Off we down the hill. Good, we're skiing so fast now. Hey! My birthday is in September 28th, if my friends don't know. Faster! There's your hole! Higher speed! Save it for higher on the streets and the monster doesn't go and act like frostbite joint. Yes! Go, go, go! We're gonna get down the hill. Let this in. Up we go, up we go. There we go, there we go. We got to stop it and yes guys, thank you for watching. Let me reset. We did it guys. Thank you for so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. And guys, hit the subscribe button. Hash anyway. Bye.